Hi everyone, in this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about ThunderX earbuds. This earbuds feature powerful 13mm driver that delivers incredible sound quality, seamless connection with Bluetooth 5.3 and fast charging with the convenient Type-C connector, sweat and splash proof thanks to IPX6 water resistant, 60 Hz playback time and 120 Hz standby time. Effortless control with intuitive touch controls. Stay connected with voice assistant access for hands-free control. Now it's time to pair your ThunderX to your device. First, open your smartphone, Bluetooth. Now, open the lid of your ThunderX earbuds and take out your earbuds from the case. Here, you can see your Tempt ThunderX earbuds. Click and pair your device with ThunderX. Now you can control everything with a tap. Single tap for play or pause. Double tap on right earbuds to skip to the next track. Double tap your left earbuds to go to the previous track. Triple tap for voice assistant. ThunderX is available in 4 color variants: black, blue, white, green. Well, that's all for now. You're a pro at navigating Tempt ThunderX earbuds.